Yes, so what are the cases of PIL? This will give you a very good example. Bonded labor matters. Bonded labor के बारे में ज़्यादा सोचो मत. This is more seen in the rural area. You know that. Because the landlord is considering the laborer as slave. So उसका minimum wages भी देता नहीं है. Okay, और उसको living conditions भी देता नहीं है. So that cases you can put a PIL. Second is neglected children. This is something very important. Mumbai mein, you know that children are always innocent who are subjected to various challenges in life. When the parents are not there or parents are not ready to take care of the children will be put in the government. We call it as, the Cheshire home. English में we call Cheshire home. That is children home, remand home, all that. उधर बच्चे लोगों के ऊपर इतना injustice हो जाता है, वो बच्चा अपने आप criminal हो जाएगा. Because उसका food भी देगा नहीं, living conditions भी नहीं है. In that case, PIL are filed. Bandur में there is a Cheshire home. It has come in Times of India. So many children ran away from there. Because the life was so miserable, society ये बच्चे को पागल करके ही छोड़ेगा, and that children will become criminal by themselves. So in order to protect, naturally PIL has to be filed because they are human being. वो बच्चे का गलती क्या है? Parents are doing the mistake and the children are suffering. Society का insult, friends का insult, and they are not getting education. Right to education किधर applicable है children के case में? So automatically PIL has to be filed in this case. Next आप देखो non-payment of minimum wages. आपको मालूम है? हाँ बराबर children. Why the double sound is coming? Maybe why that. You are right. वो नहीं मैंने duplicate में try करता है. The double sound is coming. Even I can hear my own sound. Online children, now what is the nature of the sound? Abhi double sound band hua children. Oh, thank you children. Thank you. Very nice of you. The poor one, they are sitting at home and okay. We are going ahead. देखो, minimum wages pay नहीं करने पर when the workers are exploited, PIL will be filed. आपको मालूम है बेस्टम सागर सुना होगा चेंबूर में, इधर से 5 मिनट का रास्ता है. Call that boy. Bestam Sagar में there is a hospital, Rane Hospital. Now Rane is becoming old. He is a famous cardiologist, heart का जो specialist है. He has filed PIL against Maharashtra government many times. What is the reason? Because the roads were having lot of pet holes. आपको मालूम है मुंबई अभी तो रोड थोड़ा बेटर है, फिर भी there are that pet holes. Lot of holes are there in the road. So basically, a person is suffering from heart attack or a pregnant ladies, when they are traveling through this road, their life is at danger. And जिसका duty है road repair करना BMC का. And because of Rane's petition, almost all the roads got repaired. For your information, Mumbai High Court has ordered Maharashtra government to instruct the BMC to correct the roads. So, like another is petition from the jail. Ye dekho, complaining of harassment and seeking relief after completed 14 years in jail. Ye dekho, lot of PIL is filed. For what purpose? Harassment in the jail. Jail में जाना ही harassment है. उसके ऊपर उसके अंदर भी harassment होने पर I told you, it is My Dear Children, you might have seen in the film. We know that. Because inside the jail also, there are big, big criminals. So they will act like gundas and they will harass the new prisoners. Sometimes they are tortured to death. So these are all very painful facts. So naturally PIL is filed against all this. Petition against the police for refusing to register the case. Harassment by the police. Death in the police custody. Very, very common. Boys, police station में जाना ही life का सबसे बड़ा punishment. Then उधर जाने के बाद, many cases, genuine case से, they are not registered the FIR. First information report file करने के लिए ready है. Because police does not want a headache. Okay, second is, people are, arrested and put inside the jail or inside the custody. And they are harassed. And police are beating them in such a manner, many people are killed. So these are the injustice. 1 minute, इधर से उधर से क्यों जाते? सीधा भेजो. Is it over? Then give to me. आगे वो boys के आगे भेजो. The two boys are creating so much mess in the class. वो girls के पास वो attendance भेजने की एक काम करो दो. Get from that, you only, not you. The boy second, third from the last. उड़ो उधर से. You get up. इधर थोड़ा जल्दी उड़िए. हम तो आउट ऑफ इंडिया किधर भी नहीं जाता है. बैग एंड बैगेज, वीसा, इमिग्रेशन. मैडम को दीजिए. वो इधर नहीं देगा, वो उधर ही जाता है ना. इधर किधर देता है? ओके, वो लोग भी हैं. आई नो दैट. मालूम है. आप इधर बैठो. यू आर ए गुड बॉय. Who has not signed? Girls, I told behave properly. Otherwise parents को बुलाना पड़ेगा. आपका ड्यूटी क्या है? रो कंप्लीट करने के बाद बॉयज को देने का है. सीधा बॉयज को देगा एंड ऐसा बैठेगा, मैडम हमको कुछ भी मालूम नहीं है. देखो, petition against atrocities on women, harassment of bride burning, murder, kidnapping, etc., etc. You are aware that bride, harassment of the bride. Very, very sorry to state, young children, why I am talking more about Kerala is not because I belong to that state. The reason is the most literate state is showing all type of illiteracy. That is a tragedy. Last 6 months, every day two or three cases of harassment of women. For what purpose? For the purpose of dowry. Young girls, MBBS doctor, that girl committed suicide because of the harassment. All India level में Times of India में भी आई थी. And आपको मालूम है कितना पैसा दिया? 100 sovereign gold, 100 तोला दिया, एक गाड़ी दिया, land भी दिया, and she is a doctor, remember that. In addition to that, that idiot, that boy, he wanted a costly car. And he started every day insulting her, harassing her. Finally, he murdered that girl. This is not a single case, it's a very common case. इतना पैसा के पीछे पागल होकर and police station में जाने पर many times police is not ready to entertain these cases. So that girls are committing suicide. And in-laws are harassing. And nowadays, the other way is also happening. In-laws are going and lodging the complaint because daughter-in-law is harassing the in-law. वो भी होता है. So all these are when so many people are into the picture. One case के लिए PIL कोई नहीं डालेगा. When so many girls are approaching together, then NGO will file a PIL. Because society में rules are must. The life is very, very precious. It has to be protected. Girls, that's the reason we are telling you what is very important is before the marriage, before falling in friendship, love, etc., etc., try to understand the nature of your partner. Boys होने पर भी. Don't be behind a girl who is so much for your money and vice versa. And vice versa. What is more important is life is a long journey. their proper understanding is a must. ये देखो, petition complaining of harassment or torture of villagers by the co-villagers. ये देखो, वो तो rural area में very common है. Ex-villagers are harassed by Y-villagers because पानी इधर से उधर गया, मेरा लैंड का बाउंड्री ये लोगों ने उधर आगे करके लिया, and they will be fighting among themselves. So these are all very, very common. Then petition preventing to environmental pollution, maximum PIL इसके against है, in order to control the pollution. आपको मालूम है ताजमहल का क्या स्टोरी है करके, कितना सारा PIL has been filed. Shahjahan has made it with such beautiful memories, and that Taj Mahal has become so brown in color. Italian marble का color ही अलग हो गया, because UP Madura से refinery ka all that pollutions that were, affecting the quality or the color of Taj Mahal. But Taj Mahal is one of the example. All the monuments, and because pollution, India is very poor in managing pollution. Please remember that. Mumbai maybe I told you Maharashtra government ke against. So many PIL are there against the pollution. Because there is, when the people are traveling, traffic jam, and the carbon monoxide which is coming inside your body, that is affecting the health of the people. So the PIL is filed. Any 4 or 5 you can write. I am just reading all the examples. Then petition for right victims, family pension, another tragedy. What is family pension? Very sorry to state. Mr. X got retired. He was working with government. Maharashtra government में काम करता था. Okay, he retired after some time. Very sorry to state, he died. So उसका wife को pension मिलना चाहिए. Because he was a government employee. Government employee मर जाने पर wife को भी pension मिलेगा. Full नहीं होने पर भी to a great extent some amount will be given. Many cases, wife is not aware or documents may not be there, that ladies will not be getting the pension. As age goes, money becomes a problem. So this type of matters have to be taken to the High Court, because state has to see that all these things are taken care properly. Then landlord-tenant matters, service matters pertaining to pension and gratuity. Okay, complaint against central government, state government, local body, etc., etc. Then this is easy. Admission to medical and other educational institution. Next PIL. Medical college में admission मिलने के लिए इतना PIL डाला है. What is the reason, children? You are reading in the newspaper. NEET exam. National eligibility test. Okay, NEET. That is required. You have to clear that NEET in order to get a seat in MBBS, government MBBS, colleges. Give me one example of government MBBS college in Mumbai. एक example दीजिए government का. ऐसा सोचेगा मैडम ये बॉम्बे किधर है? हम तो मध्य प्रदेश या बिहार में बैठे हैं. You can attempt. नहीं, wrong होने पर wrong होगा. I ask you give the name of one government hospital in Mumbai. JJ Hospital, 100% right. Shadapti, medical colleges, I am talking medical hospitals are right. Medical colleges लेने पर राजावाड़ी के उधर सीधा medical college नहीं है, DY पटेल के साथ attached है राजावाड़ी का. Sion Medical College है, KEM है, okay, JJ Hospital, Nair Hospital, these are all the medical colleges. And KEM is number 1 for your information. Now I am asking, suppose your brother or sister who is writing NEET examination. Okay, what is and he or she belongs to open category. कोई reservation कुछ नहीं है. So what is the mark or percentage which is required to get inside KEM, Nair or JJ Hospital? 99.99%. Then only you will get admission in these 3 or 4 medical colleges. वो भी कितना seat है? The class is having 50 or 60, seats. Out of that, SC, ST का reservation, women का reservation, economically backward, economically forward, physically handicapped, mentally handicapped, ये सब करके ओपन सीट होगा या 20 सीट होगा, एंड कितना लैक्स ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स आर राइटिंग, एंड आप पूछेगा वो नहीं मिलने पर क्या है मैडम, कितना सारा प्राइवेट मेडिकल है, प्राइवेट मेडिकल कॉलेज में पर ईयर कितना फीस है बच्चे लोग, इन्हें आइडिया? सोमैया मेडिकल कॉलेज है ना चिन्नापेटी के उधर, प्राइवेट मेडिकल कॉलेज में पर ईयर मिनिमम फीस इज 6 लाख पर ईयर, मिनिमम आई टोल्ड यू। ओके, ऐसा मेडिकल का तो 5 ईयर है, औसर्जेंसी वगैरह पढ़, सो 30 lakhs प्लस बाकी भी ना आपका बुक से अदर एक्सपेंडिचर 40 lakhs तक जाएगा। ओके, सम और अदर 40 lakhs एजुकेशनल लोन लिया XYZ, कैसा तो भी मैनेज किया, बिकॉज स्टूडेंट इज स्टडीइंग वेरी वेल। MBBS भी कंप्लीट कर दिया, आपको मालूम है अभी MBBS कंप्लीट करना आपका BCom कंप्लीट करने के जैसा है, कुछ भी वैल्यू नहीं है। MBBS के आगे तो जाने का है, MBBS का आगे है MD, ओके, मास्टर ऑफ मेडिसिन। MBBS का आगे MD के लिए एंट्रेंस है। ओपन में 2 सीट है या 3 सीट है, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट महाराष्ट्र। एक काम करेगा मैडम, उधर भी हम DY पटेल में जाएगा, MD का सीट का आपको मालूम है डोनेशन 1 crore प्लस 2 crore 3 crore तक जाएगा। So you just imagine how can the people, a good student, he is very keen to become a doctor, he cannot become a doctor. Make it very clear children. आपके पास इंटरेस्ट है, कैपेसिटी है पढ़ने का, but money is, that is the reason अभी Kerala government said that we will not accept this NEET because girls are committing suicide. Tamil Nadu also said we are not going to accept this NEET. We will consider 12th standard examination mark and we will conduct our CET. Because so many young children are committing suicide. So what is happening is in these cases, PIL is required. How much money you are charging as capitation fees? And so these are the areas where PIL is filed. But remember, education is going to be highly privatized children. When your brother, younger brother, sister, when they are going to join the colleges, आपको जो benefit अभी मिलता है वो नहीं मिलने वाला है. All the courses will become privatized. The fees will be double, triple. You are seeing here no BMS, BAF and all. They are paying 20,000 rupees on an average fees. आपसे भी 3 times ज़्यादा. What is the reason? Because government is not providing any help. Aided section, we get our salary from the government. That is the reason your fees is less. So that what we are telling is so many PILs are filed. High Court में very, very common है. Okay, develop वो सब मत लिखो. This is sufficient. This you can just read it. There are so many cases. PIL किधर डाला है करके cases का history दिया है. वो आपके लिए difficult पड़ेगा. Okay. And PIL का I will share you the textbook ka images also. This is, from the medical legal point. I will share you the images from the textbook also so that you will be able to study. Okay. So we have studied Right to Information, Consumer Protection Act, PIL. Okay. प्रोजेक्ट का टॉपिक डिसाइड किया या नहीं? मैडम किधर प्रोजेक्ट है? FC का मत करते हैं। हाँ, ऐसा बैठने पर मेरे को भी ये डाउट होता है, इकोनॉमिक्स में प्रोजेक्ट है, FC में प्रोजेक्ट है करके। PIL I will just मिताली मेरे को शाम को मैसेज दो, I will share it. अटेंडेंस देते हैं, 2 मिनट वेट करो. We can just start PIL this one. Yeah, PIL is an excellent topic for प्रोजेक्ट आपका टेक्स्ट बुक से भी बहुत सारा केस स्टडीज मिलेगा. ओके, आरटीआई टेक्स्ट बुक में केस स्टडी दिया गया, दैट इटसेल्फ यू कैन यूज इट. बट दिस टाइम आई टोल्ड यू विल हैव टू राइट, और वर्ड में यू विल हैव टू टाइप. वर्ड यू कैन यूज इट, नो प्रॉब्लम, बट टाइप करो. सीधा डाउनलोड करके नाम चेंज करके भेजने पर, हाँ, there are great people ना. Yes. कितना आलसी का काम किधर किधर है. हाँ. Consumer right, very good children, nice online children, very good. Sakina Ali. Yes children, attendance sheet किधर है. हाँ. Thank you. You can see online में, can you see? Online children, can you see that? हाँ, thank you. आपको नहीं, आप unnecessarily data waste मत करो. Essential Commodity Act of 1955. It's an old act, but very relevant act. That is why this is covered. What is the first MCQ? When did Essential Commodity Act was passed? अभी सामने ओपन बुक एग्जाम है ना, इसलिए आंसर बराबर आता है. बाद में 1955, 56, 57 सब देगा, फिर प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा. So this act was passed in 1955. First you understand what is Essential Commodities Act. There are certain commodities which are very essential for daily life. So that commodity ka price, that commodity ka supply has to be controlled by the government. Otherwise क्या होगा, shopkeepers वो commodity को hoard करके black market में बेचेगा, and people will not get the essential items. So what are the essential items? This is the old one I told you. That is why you are seeing some different items. Cattle fodder. What is cattle fodder? What the animal is eating. Fodder means animal ka food. Okay. Cow, buffalo वगैरह जो खाता है, that is known as cattle fodder. Many times what happened, वो available नहीं होने पर we cannot feed the animal. Animals को feed नहीं करने पर they will not give milk. Automatically milk का price बढ़ेगा. Everything is highly connected. So that is why these are all considered as essential commodity. You will have the doubt, madam, who is deciding the list of essential commodity? That is by the government. They are having their own criterion. Then coal, आपको मालूम है गाड़ी चलाने के लिए वगैरह coal चाहिए ना, electricity की जगह पर they are using the coal. Cotton and woolen textiles, drugs, this is very important. Drugs means medicine. Okay. And you are very well aware, India mein even now, medicine is considered as an essential commodity. But the problem is, foreign country mein, medicine is considered as essential commodity, but many medicines are provided free of cost, for your information. Let us take the example of Britain mein, when the child is born, newborn baby, 1 year tak vaccination, medicine, everything is given free by the government. And ladies ka bhi jo 1 year ka mother ka jo protection hai, that is taken care by the government. Second example, I tell you, this case I know that. One doctor, who got one son who is slightly, mentally unstable. Means schizophrenia. There is a disease known as schizophrenia. Schizophrenia ka meaning kya hai? Sabko dekhne par doubt aayega. That is the schizophrenia. Means when I look at her, I will have a doubt. She is going to hit me. My brain will start working like that. So I will beat her because I am afraid that she is going to beat me. And they will be getting lot of noise in the ear. Some peculiar disease, it should not come only. So uska medicine, hey nahi. Only thing the medicine which is available is only to control. It cannot be cured because this patient will become very wild. अपने parents को मारेगा. It's very painful situation. So इसका medicine India में तो available है, लेकिन उतना अच्छा medicine available नहीं है. So this medicine has to come from US or from London. London means that medicine is free. Government is giving free medicine to the mentally ill patient. But these are all the good things that we will have to see from their country. Even US, they are providing lot of benefit to the mentally sick people because already they are mentally sick. Medicine भी बराबर नहीं है, लेने का पैसा भी नहीं है, बाकी भी पागल हो जाएगा. That will happen. So here India में government is helping. It is not that government is not helping. Sorry to state, children, cancer medicine, उसका price is controlled by the government. इसलिए that medicine is available at a cheaper rate. Otherwise, sky level में जाएगा price. Then very sorry, when somebody is, having heart attack, sometimes doctor will come and ask, we are going to give an injection. Okay, it's a trial. Because कभी-कभी क्या होता है, it's a severe attack. So एक injection देगा, वो injection में कभी heart normal हो जाएगा, लेकिन कोई guarantee नहीं है. So they will ask you to sign. Because बाद में क्या होगा, injection दे दिए, even then the patient died. So naturally people will go and attack the doctor and all that issues. So वो नहीं होने के लिए doctors will ask you to sign an undertaking. That is not the issue. That injection ka cost is around 4,000 to 5,000 rupees per injection. But uska original cost is 50,000 plus. Doctor hospitals are giving you at 4,000. I am talking about government hospitals. So there, government is controlling the price of medicine. Please remember. Otherwise, many of the medicine we may not be able to buy. America mein sabse costliest is the medicine. Either many medicine we are able to buy because government is controlling the price. Please remember that. Then foodstuffs. When I talk about foodstuffs, what we meant is wheat, rice, etc. I am not talking about cream biscuit, ice cream, not that. These are the essential goods. Aapka daily life mein jo chahiye, that items. That is known as essential goods. Iron, steel, petroleum, etc., etc. We will put an full stop here. 1 minute online. बच्चे लोग. Ratan Tata, barabar, excellent children. Mithali liga. Okay, thank you, Mithali. Yes, Ratan Tata has donated 1,000 crore for the cancer patient. He is an exceptionally great personality. कोई doubt ही नहीं है. उसके जैसा कोई देख भी नहीं सकेगा.